What do we have here? Today on Phillyswords RC, I had the Arrma Kraton EXB RTR 6S. I had to show my face in that one because I'm very excited about this release. When I first heard about it, I was so excited. I couldn't, man, you know I love the Kraton as it is, and they got an EXB RTR. This should be an ultimate. But you know what, we're gonna start this unboxing on the outside of the box as usual. They made their boxes a little smaller. You gotta put the tires on. That's the new thing Arrma's doing. So let's check out the side of the box, see what we can see. So what we got here, we got the 2050 kV motor, the firm 150 amp ESC, the V2, your waterproof digital servo, new servo, and then you run in it, I think, I can't tell what that is. What did that say? The DX3. Now this comes with upgraded diff housings and a bunch of upgrades on here. Take a look at the back of the box. Here we go, the upgraded diff housing. Now this is something new, even though Traxxas just did the similar thing. You the aluminum hinge pin holders, and you got the aluminum top brace right there, top plate. You got the EXB shock towers in the front and the rear, and you got the shock caps, aluminum shock caps. That new center brace, but you know what, I want to pull her out the box and look at her up close. Be right back. They go inside of the box. You got the tires. Y'all know I'm gonna do something with them tires. You got your card right there, and to tell you some assemblies required. Tires. So that makes it's good to do that, to put the tires on yourself. Because then you ain't got to worry about the lugs being loose out the box. You're responsible for putting the lugs on, so that's a plus. Speaking of the tires, you got the Copperhead 2 tires. D-boot Copperhead 2. Get a nice little bag of goodies. Let's crack that open, see what's in there. You get some AA batteries. You got your tools. Oh wow, this is something different. But this is for your diffs. I don't know what exactly part it play because I haven't looked at it yet, but this is for your diffs. Of course, you get shims. Oh, great. You get the stickers. You also get the speed pinion. I don't know what tooth this is until I take it out, but it looked like it might be 16 tooth. I can't really tell. You get your instruction manual. Your technical pack, so you can look at all the parts and the part numbers. And your warranty paper. Also comes with this additional EXB Kraton card, so you can watch the videos, scan that QR code, get right up in there. 65 plus miles an hour. And here go the DX3 radio. Now here go the beautiful car. Let me pull out this box real quick. Be right back. All right, now we're gonna pull it back. Plastic peel. This thing looks lovely. This thing looks awesome. This body is awesome. I love the design. Love the design. It looks awesome, man. What I want to get into, I want to look at the inside of this car. I've been dying for this. Boom, there go that work of art right there. Okay, I still got some zip ties on there. Look at that bulkhead. Aluminum bulkhead. That is crazy. aluminum hinge pin holders. Still got the plastic ones at the bottom. Then you got this new brace in the center, 2-piece brace. You got the EXB braces, and this also has wow, the Spectrum servo with 25 teeth. You got a new servo saver right there, if you can see it, aluminum. They got a new V2 ESC, aluminum shocks, shock tires front and rear, aluminum braces front and rear, aluminum bulkheads front and rear. That is crazy. I'm telling you, I'm so excited about this car. Jesus Christ. All right, let me throw the tires on there real quick, see what she look like. All right, I installed the tires now. I'm gonna get more into the car because I missed a few things. You got aluminum shock caps now. Well, I think it already had that, but they got the EXB shock caps. You know, they already had aluminum. Now they got the EXB shock caps. I don't know what difference that gonna make, but I know this front here with this servo saver, I know that's gonna make the difference. And the servo, like so far like Arrma electronics are good so far, except for that ESC problem everybody's having. I didn't have that problem, but I kind of full throttle a lot, so maybe I didn't feel the problem. Not to mention I got the fix for it now, so if I have that problem with this car, I'm not going to mess with this ESC settings yet. But I'm going to add a wheelie bar. I don't understand, never understood why they never had wheelie bars. But look at that. Look at that. Yo, this thing, it looks crazy. Like, durability went up like 5 times with this car just because of that simple upgrade. You know, they upgraded the steering, the bulkheads, the center brace is a little upgrade, but see, it's a 2-piece. That kind of, to me, I don't know. 2 pieces, just 2 pieces to replace instead of the one. Then you got the center part, but maybe it'll work out. I don't know. You got the mud guards in the front. Would have been decent if they put some in the rear, but that's cool. I can't wait to drive this thing. I'm not driving it in this video. I'm sorry. I want to drive it so bad, but I'm not going to drive it in this video. Yo, this thing is, oh my God, I can't wait to run this. Yeah, this is her all put together, and I swear I can't wait to drive this thing, man. This is so beefy. You got the regular arms. At least you got a sway bars in the rear, and in the front it looked like a different kind of hookup with the sway bars, because I remember the old ones, I messed with it so much. This is a different little arm right there. You know, the drive cups are different. I kind of want to crack that diff open to see what it looked like in there. I'm gonna do that, and like if you guys want to see me crack that diffs up so I can see what the inside look like. Not to mention I'm gonna do it eventually because I might have to up the weight. I don't know yet. The suspension, of course, is good. I got on this ramp right now. Let me take it off this ramp. Yeah, here go the suspension. Suspension is tight. Yeah, this is real tight. Yeah, this thing is nice, man. Wow, Arrma really did their thing. They really did their thing this year. They got a lot of releases. They having some problems with their releases because they got so many back to back. I knew it was gonna be some flaw, but mostly it's minor stuff you can work around. Like they fixed the ESC problem, so they took care of that. Its only thing is if you don't have a program card, you got to send it back, and that might become a problem with most people. But me, I got the program card. I got a program card because I got so many Spectrum ESCs and stuff. I've said thought to myself, definitely get a Spectrum. I had it for years. Get a Spectrum card, program card. Okay, here we go underneath. You got the EXB bumper And the 2050 EXB chassis right here, don't just bash, blast. And you know I'm going to have a blast. It don't have a skid plate in the back, but that's fine. You got the same arms. Got your droop screws in there. Oh yeah, I want to take a look at the front of the car. Let's look at the front. Yeah, look at that front there. That thing looks very angry. Angry little car. For the pivot balls, this is the standard ones they already have. It'd be nice for them to start upgrading those. That would put Arrma on the next level if they start upgrading these to metal. And here for the front. Look at that right there. I'm just, yo, wow. And we at the rear. This, yo, I could look at this all day. I could look at this all day. Now the rear hubs is the same little drive shafts. You got CVDs in the front, dog bones in the back. It looks like the center diff is different. They changed that up. The motor mounts is the same, except for this top plate right here. It's a little different. Yeah, this thing is beefy. Like, this thing is a tank right now. So you figure if you add some aluminum wheel hubs on there and certain things in aluminum, this thing will be bulletproof. The ESC is good. Of course, the motor, never had a problem with the motor. Got that 2050 kV motor, so look like a 13-tooth pinion in there. This thing is beautiful. You got to upgrade servo housing for it, whatever you want to call that, the servo holder, whatever. That's new. But well, it's not new, it's the EXB. This thing is crazy. Still got the standard connectors right there. You got the little power needs power. Scan that barcode before you blast. Scan that barcode. Next video, this is definitely to be continued. I'm going to do a full running video. I'm going to bash the heck out this car. My usual bash spot, I don't know if I'm able to run it there, but I like to run it there because I got, you know, all the different terrains. But this is a time of year where they usually stock a lot of stuff there that shouldn't be there. Okay. And another thing, I like to give a shout out to RC Discount Superstore. I'd like to give a huge shout out to Adam. He hooked me up. Listen, man, a lot of people don't even have this car yet, and I actually got this car. I think I'm the first out the hobby shop where I go to that has this car. But if you're in the area, in the Philadelphia, Pennsylvania area, check his shop out. I'll leave the description below where his shop is located. He got a lot of them now. Better jump on him while you got them in stock. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more coming soon. And I'm out.